Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. PC Builder 23, and today, as you can see, I am outside on this beautiful day, and I am on my phone because I just got my case painted. Took me 2 days. Didn't come out too bad. Got my nice ATI thing going on. Let's start off. This is a Cooler Master HAF 932 full tower. I did start putting my components in. As you can see, everything has a nice glare to it. Got everything painted nicely. While I was installing this, I accidentally dinked that right there. Got a scratch already, yippee. Got the inside all painted. My side panels I got, as you can see, nice glare on them for the side panels. This is Rust-Oleum paint, and that's my dog putting his face in there. I am building a new computer real soon. That's why this is all taken apart. I did have my motherboard to go out. So, yeah, time for a new play toy. I will be getting another graphics card, a 6870 to crossfire my other one. And I'm getting AMD Phantom X6 1100T Black Edition with the Asus Crosshair 4. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on my new computer build. Hopefully I have it done in about a week or two. Thanks. Rate, subscribe, comment.